My name is Aanya, and today I am going to tell you how to learn English in just 21 days, even if you have no one to help you. I will explain everything in very simple English. You don't need a teacher, a classroom, or expensive books. You only need time, effort, and a strong reason to learn. If you follow this guide step by step, you will see big improvement in your English. So, let's begin. In the first 3 days, focus on simple words and sentences. Learn basic grammar like I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. These are the foundation of English. For example, I am happy. You are my friend. She is a teacher. Practice saying these out loud many times. Listen to how they sound. Use YouTube videos for beginners or English learning apps like Duolingo or Hello English. Watch videos made for kids. They are easy to understand. Make a small notebook. Write 5 new words every day. Write their meaning in your language and make 1 sentence for each word. This helps you remember. Now, start learning sentences that we use every day. For example, what is your name? How are you? Where do you live? I am going to the market. I like tea. Say them again and again. Use them while talking to yourself. For example, say, I am brushing my teeth when you are doing it. Say, I am making tea when you are in the kitchen. Speak to yourself in English every day. Also, listen to English for 15 minutes daily. You can listen to easy podcasts or children's English stories. Even if you don't understand every word, just keep listening. Your brain will start learning the sounds and flow of English. Don't wait for someone to practice with. You can practice speaking by yourself. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and talk in English. Say things like, hello, my name is Aanya. I am learning English. Today I went to the market. I bought vegetables. I like to watch movies. My favorite movie is Don't worry about mistakes. It's okay. Just keep talking. The more you speak, the better you get. Also, watch 1 short video in English every day. Pause after every sentence and repeat it. Try to copy the tone and accent. This is called shadowing. It helps your tongue and brain get used to English sounds. Now, learn verbs. These are action words like go, come, eat, sleep, talk, write, read, cook, run, etc. Learn how to use them in simple present tense. For example, I eat rice. He goes to school. They play cricket. Also, learn the past form. Ate, went, played, etc. Yesterday, I ate rice. She went to the market. We played football. Make sentences using both present and past tense. Write them down. Read them aloud. Now, make it a habit to talk about your whole day in English. At night, sit alone and speak for 5 minutes. Say what you did that day. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I took a bath. I made breakfast. I watched an English video. I went to the shop. I came home. I read 5 new English words. This is a great way to build fluency. You are using simple sentences and you are building confidence. Choose one simple English story or cartoon video. Watch the same video many times. First, just watch. Then pause and repeat after the speaker. Try to speak like them. This helps your pronunciation and listening. If you hear a new word, pause the video. Write it in your notebook. Find the meaning. Say it again and again. You can also try to explain the video in English. Say, "This story is about a boy. He has a dog. They go to the park. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just try." This builds your speaking and understanding skills. Now, live in English. Set your phone to English language. Read English labels on products. Write your shopping list in English. Try to think in English. Write a short story about yourself. For example, my name is Aanya. I live in India. I am learning English by myself. I wake up at 6 a.m. I listen to English for 15 minutes. I speak in front of the mirror. I write 5 new words every day. I feel happy because I can speak better now. Read this story out loud. Record your voice. Listen to it. You will hear your own English getting better. Don't compare yourself with others. Your journey is your own. Be proud of small improvements. Even one new word is a step forward. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying. Use a calendar. Tick each day you study. This gives you motivation. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Start today. Don't think you need someone to teach you. You can teach yourself. Don't worry if people laugh. You are learning something amazing. Learning English in 21 days is possible if you work every day. Speak out loud, listen with full attention, write daily, think in English, talk to yourself. Watch easy videos. Repeat what you hear. Use simple words. Be brave, keep going. At first, it may feel hard, but every day you will feel stronger. Your tongue and your brain will work together. You will understand more. You will speak more clearly. You will feel more confident. Remember, no one else can stop you. You are your best teacher. You are your best helper. You can do it. Just believe in yourself and start now.